Hi, you know that I am a beauty box junkie as well as a K-beauty junkie. So recently I discovered that K-beauty retailer Beautynet Korea was doing mystery boxes. I showed you another mystery box recently that was from Rose Shop. You can see that video here. So this one, inclusive of worldwide shipping, was $40. I think that you have to pay extra if you want, faster shipping. I bought my box, and what you get is you get at least 7 products. The contents are a complete mystery. They're picked at random, and these are very limited edition. At the time of recording this video, they are indeed available. Where to buy? I will link in the description box below. These are the boxes. I don't think you get a separate box inside. It doesn't feel that way. So I haven't opened it at all, and I am going to do so right now. So for me, shipping took about a week after I placed my order. And oh my, there are so many full-sized products in there. Everything is in bubble wrap. So I will quickly take out each product. This is very skincare centric. Off we go. Elizavecca Milky Piggy Carbonated Bubble Clay Mask, full-sized. And for $40, this is a very good deal. Let's see if we can find the expiry date of this thing. 2022 May is the expiry date. That's not bad at all. So clearly they haven't been palming off products that are close to the expiry date in here. Second product, also full-sized. Oh my god. Iron Lip Beauty Snail Repair Eye Cream. Full-sized eye cream, 50 mils. The mask is 100 grams. And the expiry date of this is 2022 January. Oh my god, oh my god. And the third product is something that I was going to repurchase, that I use on an everyday basis. These are Colv Gold Royal Jelly Hydrogel Eye Patches, under eye patches that you keep on. In my case, I leave them on overnight. A lot of people leave them on for half an hour to 1 hour or so. Expiry date of this, 2021 August. Marvelous. So I like layering these above eye serum or an eye cream for extra hydration, and I wake up with my eyes all, with the eyes all hydrated, the under eye area all hydrated, and with these patches all pruny and wrinkled up. Right, next we have Lador Keratin LLP shampoo. I can't use this. The main ingredient, hydrolyzed wheat protein. I am incredibly allergic to wheat. I get angioedema and I get hospitalized, and I need cortisone and epinephrine injections on an emergency basis. It's a sulfate-free shampoo and it contains hydrolyzed wheat protein. Just my luck. Expiry date 2022 February. So I will be passing this on to my mum, I think, or my dad. I think she's very specific about the kind of shampoos she uses. Maybe Gramps can use it. I don't know. Anybody who's not allergic to wheat. The next product is one that I can't use either. Perfect Cover BB Cream from Misha. So what is the problem, you ask? The shade that I got is number 21, which is the lightest. Mine is probably, I don't know, 25 or 27 or something. I'm South Asian. The expiry date is 2021 January. Huge pity that. This will probably go to a giveaway because the shade is way too light. Full-sized BB cream. Oh, I'm so gutted about that. So out of 5 products so far, I can't use 2. I should probably have told them not to include any wheat products, or that I'm severely allergic to wheat. Oh well, my fault for not telling them. CP1 Premium Skin Ampoule Damaged Hair Protein Ampoule. 20 mils. I've tried this before from a Mimi box, and it's incredibly good for deep conditioning and treating damaged hair. And I have the last word in damaged and dry hair. There is some makeup product after all. This is Fruit Shots Tint Water from Tony Moly. 2020 May is the expiry date. That's not so bad. There's still almost a year to use it up, and the tint looks good. So 7 products so far and 2 that I can't use. That's not so bad. Now there is another makeup product in here. This is Iron Lip. That's all it says on the box. Iron Lip made in Korea. Let's open that. Shade 01. Looks like this. That's definitely make. Oh, it's a very pretty lipstick. Oh, that is so pretty. Very pretty color there. And that is a nice corally summery color to have. I will be hanging on to this one. Very nice. That sort of makes up for the BB cream. So very quickly, let me demo this lipstick. That's a nice bright coral, orangey coral for the summer. Very pretty shade. And, you know, surprisingly, I actually like this color on me. Matches my background as well. I usually wear dusty rose, dusty mauve lipsticks, but, you know, this one I really like on me. Staying power is very average, but, you know, with this sort of prettiness, I don't mind that. So they promised 7 products, and we already have 8 full-size products. 9th full-size product, McQueen Air Cotton Tint, expiry date 2022 January. So let's see how that looks inside. Oh, that's very pretty as well. The packaging reminds me of Peri Pera. Very nice lip and lip tint, I think. Yeah, lip and cheek tint. Oh yes, that's another beautiful corally color. Matches my background, I think. So, 9 full-size products so far, and there's still how many sheet masks? 1 sheet mask, charcoal moisture essence mask from Iron Lip Beauty. CP1 Premium Hair Treatment Ceramide Repair System. That's a sachet. And finally, there is the Volcano Clear Wash Off Pack from Iron Lip Beauty. So, Beautynet Korea promised to send out at least 7 full-size products. I got 9 full-size products, of which I cannot use the shampoo because it contains hydrolyzed wheat protein, and I'm allergic to wheat. And I can't use the BB cream either because the shade is too pale for me. So I can use 7 full-size products, a sheet mask, a wash-off pack, and this little sachet of hair treatment. So 7 full-size products that I can use and 2 to give away. That's not so bad at all for $40. That means that I paid less than $5 per product. That is an amazing deal. They ship worldwide. These boxes are still available. Incidentally, Beautynet Korea are also doing limited edition sample-only boxes wherein you get at least 10 sample-size products. I didn't go in for that. I think you also may get full-size products in there, but I didn't opt for that because, you know, I wanted just full-size products and no sample sizes at all. And what I love the most is that, you know, I've checked the expiry dates of all these products, and none of them is something that expires within this year or within 6 months. You know, nothing is something that they've palmed off on me because it was about to expire. Nothing of the sort. Everything is 2020, midway, or, you know, 2021 or 2022 even. So at least a year to use everything up, at least a year away the expiry dates are. That is amazing. Absolutely love this box. This one or the Rose Secret box. I would have to say the Rose Secret box, simply because that was just $33, inclusive of international shipping. This one is $40. So price-wise, I like that box better. And I find that I can, the products in there were a bit more exciting. More skincare, more things for me to try out that I haven't tried before. In this case, the wheat shampoo is a huge letdown for me. And this one I definitely can't use. Well, they had no way of knowing that I was allergic to wheat. I should have said something in the comments. But I don't think these boxes are customizable at all. I don't know if they are. Maybe you can try and, add a note if you decide to order. And they may send you what you ask for. If that happens, do tell me so that I can go and kick myself where it hurts. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Where to buy, I will link in the description box below. Do stay tuned by subscribing to my channel for more exciting updates and unboxings, including of advent calendars. So that's all from me for today. Thank you again for watching. Please do give me a thumbs up. Please hit the subscribe button. Please hit the notifications bell as well, and I'll speak to you soon.